Her name was Ruth, a 73-year-old retired teacher from Ohio who once stood proudly in front of classrooms for decades, shaping young minds. But when I met her, she couldn't even read the large print text on her favorite mystery novels. Her one sharp mind, the one that had guided so many students to success, was struggling to keep track of simple grocery lists. And worst of all, her blood pressure had crept into dangerous territory. This simple fruit brings more than just flavor. It's packed with vitamin C, a potent antioxidant known to slow the progression of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective properties. Why? Because piperine, the active compound in black pepper, enhances the bioavailability of curcumin by up to 2,000%. Without it, turmeric isn't absorbed efficiently. This little addition supercharges the drink's anti-inflammatory effects, helping everything from joint pain to mental clarity. Inflammation is at the root of nearly every age-related disease, from Alzheimer's to glaucoma to high blood pressure. A 2018 study published in the American Journal of Geriatric Psychiatry found that curcumin improved memory and attention in adults over 60 in just 18 months. Imagine waking up and actually feeling sharper, more alert, and more with it than you've felt in years. That's what Ruth experienced, and curcumin was a big part of it. But more importantly, lemon helps cleanse the liver. Why is this important? Because, as we age, our liver becomes sluggish, making it harder for the body to remove toxins that damage cells and increase blood pressure. No additives, no caffeine. Just pure plant-based healing power. And the results? Each ingredient does something unique, but together they amplify each other's effects. That means you're not just preventing decline, you might actually be rebuilding. Researchers from the University of Exeter found that beetroot juice increased oxygenation in the frontal lobe, a part of the brain responsible for memory and decision-making, in adults over 70. But many seniors like Ruth have brought this simple drink to their physicians. And the results speak for themselves, supporting your body with what it truly needs, not just covering up the symptoms. Ruth could have given in. She could have accepted the decline. But instead, she got curious. She tried something natural, and she gave it 30 days. Subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss a life-changing tip. We're on a mission to help seniors take back their health, naturally, powerfully, and joyfully. The outcome? A clearer mind, stronger vision, and a heart that pumps more freely than it has in years. And that's not fringe science. That's peer-reviewed, double-blind, placebo-controlled data. Beets open up blood vessels. Lemon flushes toxins. Turmeric calms inflammation. Pepper boosts absorption. Just 30 days. Every morning, make the drink. Sip it slowly and track your changes. Keep a journal. Write down how you feel, what you notice, how you sleep, how you focus. Because this isn't just about a drink. It's about giving your body a second chance, a clearer brain, a sharper gaze, a steadier heart. And warm water sets the stage for it all to be processed smoothly. You're not just treating symptoms, you're nourishing systems, cardiovascular, neurological, hepatic, and ocular. All at once, she's now back to doing crossword puzzles in ink. Her driver's license was renewed without hesitation. Her blood pressure? Averaging 124/78, down from 146/90 just months before. Seniors often report mood improvements, reduced anxiety, and a greater sense of optimism after just a few weeks on this morning ritual. Why? Because when your circulation improves, your brain is better oxygenated. Your inflammation drops. Your blood sugar stabilizes. And suddenly, you're not living in a fog anymore. You're living in the present. A cleaner liver means better hormonal balance, more energy, and improved brain clarity. Seniors often forget that the liver directly impacts both vision and cognition. And lemon is one of the most liver-loving fruits you can find. "I feel like I'm slipping away," she said softly, her hands trembling around her teacup. "I know I'm still here, but it doesn't feel like me anymore." Ruth wasn't looking for a miracle. She wasn't chasing anti-aging gimmicks. There are hundreds of miracle cures floating around the internet. But this one isn't a product. It's not a brand. It's not even something I'm selling. It's food. Natural, honest food. The kind that nourishes you deeply when you give your body the chance. She just wanted to feel like herself again. The fifth ingredient in Ruth's morning ritual: warm water. Not hot, not cold, just warm. Why? Because warm water aids digestion, helps dissolve nutrients faster, and supports circulation first thing in the morning. It's also gentler on the stomach, especially for seniors who may struggle with acidity or gastrointestinal sensitivity. When Ruth switched from cold smoothies to a warm drink, her body responded better and faster. And the day she tried a simple, homemade morning drink, just a mix of natural ingredients blended into warm water, everything began to change. Not overnight, but slowly. Then, rapidly. Within 2 weeks, she could read the newspaper again without squinting. Her memory lapses, less frequent. Her blood pressure stabilized to the point where her doctor actually cut her meds in half. Now, if this sounds too good to be true, I understand. That's what Ruth thought too, until she lived it. And here's the best part. This isn't just her story. Thousands of seniors across the country are discovering that aging doesn't have to mean decline. With the right natural support, your body can heal, restore, and even reverse certain age-related symptoms. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact drink Ruth uses every morning, the ingredients, the science, and why it works. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and get ready. Because what you'll learn today might just change your life too. Let's start with the foundation of this powerful drink. Beetroot powder. Beets are one of the richest sources of dietary nitrates. When consumed, these nitrates are converted into nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes and widens blood vessels. For seniors, this is a game changer. Why? Because nitric oxide improves blood flow to critical areas like your brain, eyes, and heart. A 2015 study in hypertension showed that daily beet juice intake significantly lowered blood pressure in older adults. And better circulation means more oxygen reaching the optic nerves and retina, supporting clearer vision and reduced eye fatigue. Ruth swore she could read road signs again after just 3 weeks of daily use. Now pair that with fresh lemon juice. Then we add a pinch of turmeric, and not just for color. But we're not done yet. The fourth ingredient, just a dash of black pepper. Now, here's the surprise twist. So to recap, Ruth's miracle morning drink is simply 1 teaspoon of beetroot powder, juice from half a lemon, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, 1 cup of warm water. She stirs it up gently and sips it slowly every morning before breakfast. No sugar. But let's talk science for a moment. Why does this combination work so well, especially for seniors? It's all about synergy. Even more exciting. Studies are now linking these very ingredients to neurogenesis, the growth of new brain cells, and angiogenesis, the formation of new blood vessels. And let's not forget about the mental health benefits. Now, I know what some people are thinking. Isn't this just another health fad? I get it. And yes, talk to your doctor before making changes, especially if you're on medications for blood pressure, blood thinners, or diabetes. The truth is, aging doesn't mean giving up. It means adapting smarter. So if you're a senior or care about someone who is, here's my challenge to you. Try it. And if this helped you, or you want to see more health breakthroughs like this, don't forget to like this video.